Welcome to TechSimplified. In today's video, we'll break down one of the core concepts in C# programming, operators. These are the symbols that drive your logic, calculations, and comparisons. You'll see them in every line of code you write, whether you're calculating totals or making decisions. Let's dive in. Operators are special symbols used in C# to perform actions like math, comparisons, or logical decisions. Think of them as verbs in your code. They do things. They work with operands, like variables or values, to compute results. For example, A plus B means add A and B. These are your basic math operators. Just like on a calculator, use plus to add, to subtract, asterisk to multiply, to divide, and percent to find the remainder. Modulus is especially useful when checking if a number is even or odd. Here's a simple example. This creates two numbers, A is 10 and B is 3. A plus B adds 10 plus 3, which equals 13. B subtracts 10 to 3, which equals 7. Asterisk B multiplies 10 times 3, which equals 30. B divides 10 divided by 3. But since both numbers are whole, int type, it only keeps the whole number 3 and ignores the decimal. B finds the remainder when 10 is divided by 3. Since 3 fits into 10 3 times, 9 total. There's a remainder of 1, so the answer is 1. Assignment operators let you set or update the value of a variable. Instead of writing x is equal to x plus 3, you can just write x plus is equal to 3, cleaner and easier to read. These are helpful when updating scores, totals, or counters. Comparison operators are all about checking relationships. Are two values equal? Is one greater than the other? These return true or false and are the backbone of if statements and loops. Logical operators help you combine multiple conditions. And means both must be true. Pipe symbol means either can be true. Use to flip the result. These are perfect for validating inputs or checking multiple rules. Bitwise operators work on individual bits, yes, the ones and 0s. They're not very common for everyday business apps, but are vital in graphics, security, and system-level code. Here are some extra operators that make your code concise. Use ++ and in loops to step through values. The ternary operator is a quick shortcut for if-else, great for small conditionals. Let's quickly recap. Each group of operators plays a unique role in helping you manipulate data, control logic, and structure your code efficiently. Understanding them will make you a better problem solver in C#. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get updates from TechSimplified. Leave a comment if you have questions or want a deep dive into any operator. Until next time, code smart and stay sharp.